Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about 10 reasons why you should learn Google Sheets. The new school year is starting for most of you, and this is the perfect time to start learning something new and useful like Google Sheets. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1, Google Sheets is completely free. Yes, you heard that right. It's completely free for everyone. All you need to do is just create a new spreadsheet and you're good to go. There is no cost involved. You can use it on your phone, your tablet, your laptop, desktop, whatever you have. As long as you have an internet connection, you can access it from anywhere at any time. Number 2, it's easy to learn. Even if you've never used spreadsheets before in your life, don't worry because it's super easy to learn. You can get started with it right away. And if you want to take it to the next level, there are plenty of courses available online. Like I have a full course on my channel where I teach you how to become a Google Sheets expert step by step. So it's really easy to learn. Number 3, it's a great time saver. If you're a teacher or a student, you know how much paperwork we have to do. So Google Sheets can save you tons of time. Instead of spending hours on grading papers or creating worksheets, you can do it all in Google Sheets. You can create your own custom worksheets, quizzes, tests, whatever you need. And then you can easily grade them in Google Sheets too. Also, if you're working on a group project, you can collaborate with others in real time on the same spreadsheet. This is a huge time saver because you don't have to wait for others to finish their part. You can all work together at the same time. Number 4, it's easy to share. Sharing is caring, right? So if you want to share your grades with your students or your test scores, you can do that easily in Google Sheets. You can just share the link and they'll be able to see it. Also, if you want to get feedback from your peers or your teachers, you can share your work with them and get feedback in real time. Number 5, it's easy to update. So if you make a mistake or if you want to change something, it's super easy to do that in Google Sheets. You can just double-click and edit the cell and then press enter and it's updated everywhere. There is no need to print it out or hand it in. You can just submit it online. Number 6, it's easy to organize. We all have tons of data to manage, whether it's our grades, our finances, our projects, whatever. And Google Sheets can help us organize it all in one place. You can use different tools like filters and sorting to find what you need quickly. You don't have to waste time searching through piles of papers. Number 7, it's easy to analyze. Google Sheets has a lot of powerful features that can help us analyze our data. You can use formulas and functions to calculate things quickly. You can also use charts and graphs to visualize your data. This can help you understand your data better and make decisions based on it. Number 8, it's easy to automate. If you have repetitive tasks, you can automate them in Google Sheets using scripts. You can record your actions and then run the script whenever you need to do that task again. This can save you even more time and effort. Number 9, it's backed up automatically. We all hate losing our work, right? But with Google Sheets, you don't have to worry about that because it's backed up automatically. So even if your device crashes, you don't lose anything. Your work is safe on the cloud. Number 10, it's used everywhere. Google Sheets is used by individuals, businesses, schools, pretty much everywhere. So learning Google Sheets can open up many opportunities for you. You can use it in your personal life to manage your finances, your workouts, your projects. You can use it in your professional life to impress your boss or clients. And if you're a student, you can use it to ace all your classes. So these are just some of the benefits of learning Google Sheets. There are many more, but you get the point. Learning Google Sheets is a no-brainer. It's free, easy to learn, and can save you tons of time and effort. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.